Alien Implant Remedy by Zendome's Orgonite. For legal purposes, I have included this disclaimer. Please read it before you continue. What is an alien implant? Alien implants can be etheric, energetic, holographic, genetic, biologic, or synthetic. Alien implants can include AI, artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, bioengineering, and crystalline formations. They are produced by interdimensional beings, ETs, and some humans. Some are beneficial, but most are not, as they infringe on our spiritual, mental, emotional, and physical health. Alien implants in the human body. The purpose of implanting humans may be for experimentation, mind control, geoengineering and transhumanism, biotelemetry or tracking, and more. When alien implants are introduced to the body, they disrupt the electromagnetic balance and the homeostasis of the body. They often produce low-level electromagnetic frequencies, or EMF, that interfere with our natural, energetic, and biological cycles. People with alien implants experience health issues as their bodies develop mechanisms to cope. Alien implants impact our energetic and auric fields, the body, and the mind, disconnecting us from our inner self and our higher spiritual energies. Most people are unaware of their presence, but find that they do not thrive in spite of their very best efforts. People with implants tend to have recurring headaches, digestive issues, cycles of anxiety and depression, poor sleep patterns, lack of energy and adrenal fatigue, along with low immunity to disease, with increased autoimmune responses. What is the Alien Implant Remedy? This implant remedy is a proprietary blend of essential oils, crystal frequencies, orgone energy, and guided meditation, designed to work together to move energy and clear the energetic pathways. Alien implants block your energy pathways in order to alter your thoughts and feelings, behaviors and preferences, and to limit your healing potential. This alien implant remedy provides the right combination of energetic frequencies, specifically designed to disable and dissolve energetic implants that may be holding you back. The remedy. Since the implants are essentially energetic in nature, the remedy must also involve frequency. We offer cutting-edge technology to remedy alien implants and other invasive energetic, frequency-related technologies. Zendome's orgone generators, pyramids and body discs, essential oil blends that come with a foot oil and body spray, a daily guided meditation, and the remedial kits are available in 2 sizes. The Alien Implant Remedy Kits are as follows. Mini Alien Implant Remedy Kit includes 1 Zendome orgone generating body disc with hematite and clear quartz crystals and copper. It measures 50 millimeters in diameter. 1 2 milliliter foot oil with essential oils. 1 30 ml body spray with essential oils, and 1 guided meditation. The full-sized Alien Implant Remedy Kit includes 1 Zendome orgone generating pyramid with hematite, clear quartz crystals, and copper. It measures 60 to 70 millimeters at the base. 1 Zendome orgone generating body disc with hematite, clear quartz crystals, and copper, measuring 50 millimeters diameter. 1 2 milliliter foot oil with essential oils. one 30 milliliter body spray with essential oils, and one guided meditation. As you can see by these pictures, these products are beautifully made. The essential oils are made by somebody who is acting as consultant to Zendome's Orgonite. Her name is Vlada, and she has 28 years of working specifically with essential oils, creating blends, and several different kinds of remedies. These Alien Implant Remedy Kits can be found at my website, www.karenholtonhealthcoach.com/shop/. The essential oils are in glass containers, ensuring that the essential oils stay in their peak performing ability. Again, these Alien Implant Remedy Kits can be found at www.karenholtonhealthcoach.com/shop/. That's Karen Holton, KarenHolton, healthcoach.com/shop/. And again, these Alien Implant Remedial Kits are available in the mini size or in the full size. Oh, and the little alien figurine is not included in the sets. If you haven't considered Zendome's Orgonite before, now is definitely the time. They are unique in every way, and there are other videos here on my YouTube channel that explain in great detail all the technical aspects of how they work. Feel free to leave me comments below. As the implants are removed, the energetic body has the chance to heal. Heal the energetic body, and the physical body recovers as a result. Since the implants are essentially energetic in nature, the remedy must also involve frequency. This Alien Implant Remedy Kit is a proprietary blend of essential oils, crystal frequencies, orgone energy, and guided meditation, designed to work together to move energy and dissolve alien implants. Check out more remedial energy kits at my website, www.karenholtonhealthcoach.com.